Okay. My name's Lily and Lent. This is my Rube Goldberg Machine. So what the plan is I'm going to have my dog grab the ball, and what should happen is it should take the leverage off and the domino will fall, and they'll travel through, train will go, knock the battery down onto the juicer, which is the part from the machine I took apart. Then the flag will spin, pulling that wood block from under, making that swing to the light switch, which will turn on the fan, and then the fan will go in a circle, hit the tissue box, grab the toilet paper that has the piece of soap inside of it, and then while I sit on my bed, it should roll into my hands. Oh, not my bed. Okay.
Go.
Okay, buddy, get the ball! I think I missed the toilet paper again.
No!
We got it so good! We got to do it 2 times in a row!
Okay, now it's recording.
Ready, bud? Get the ball! Get your ball!
Okay, recording.
Stay. Get the ball! Get the ball, buddy! Yeah!